This video shows how to replace the fan backplane on a Poweredge XE2420. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. To begin, first, remove the system cover. Loosen the blue thumb screw on the front of the system and lift the system cover out. To remove the fan backplane, first you must remove the fans and fan backplane tray. Starting with fans, holding the orange and black edges, lift them out of the system. For the fan backplane tray, loosen the two thumb screws on the rear and pull it out of the system. Now for the fan backplane. Holding the plunger, slide and lift it out of the backplane tray. To replace the fan backplane, insert and slide it on the backplane tray. Now, reinstall the fan backplane tray and fans. For the fan backplane, insert it and tighten the two blue thumb screws. For the fans, insert and press them firmly until they are fully seated. Finally, replace the system cover and tighten the blue thumb screw. You have replaced the fan backplane on a Poweredge XE2420. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PoweredgeManuals.